You know that one server that always acts up at 2 a.m., like it just remembered it has feelings? Yeah, that's why Cron exists. Cron is the unpaid intern of DevOps. It never sleeps, doesn't ask for a raise, and definitely won't ping you about a Jira ticket. It just runs jobs quietly every damn minute. Here's the problem. Most teams set up 2 cron jobs, maybe log rotation and a half-baked backup. Then they ask why their infra catches fire every Friday night. Let's walk the cron job toolkit every DevOps vet keeps in their back pocket in 2025. First, system health. Log your uptime, clean your disk, rotate your logs, monitor CPU and memory. Because nothing screams, we're totally professional, like your TMP directory holding memes from 2017. Stat check. The average cost of downtime is $9,000 per minute. That means one missing job could cost more than a small car. Next, backups. Your infra's only as reliable as your last backup. And spoiler, your last backup is probably broken. Schedule daily database dumps, auto-sync them to S3, snapshot your VM, and use a retention policy to avoid surprise cloud bills. Because local-only backups are like saving your game and then losing the console to a house fire. Fun fact, companies that test their backups recover 96% faster after incidents. Third, security and patching. Run updates, scan for malware, and check SSL cert expiry, because nothing wakes up a CTO faster than cert expired errors during a site outage. Schedule security jobs, patch monthly, scan weekly, audit your cron itself. 50% of production incidents start with somebody named DevOps running RMRF at 2 a.m. Thinking you're safer from hackers? Depends on how many interns you trust. Finally, workflow sanity. Auto restart failed services, clean giant Docker logs, delete old CI artifacts, mirror Git repos. Imagine GitHub goes down for an hour. If you haven't mirrored your repo, you just lost a year of commits and everyone will hate you. Did you know the average build artifact directory consumes over 50 gigabytes per project? That's cloud dollars leaking while you sleep. So here's your take home. Cron jobs aren't flashy. They're not about microservices, AI, or Kubernetes operator fights, but they're the difference between sleeping peacefully and waking up to a PagerDuty alert because your server panicked like it saw a ghost. Run these cron jobs, test them, then forget they exist, like a silent guardian. Because the best cron job is the one you never have to worry about, while you binge watch Netflix or grind ranked queues. In 2025, infra is still human-driven. Let cron be the calm in your engineer storm.